So, morning Paris, it's a blessed Monday morning. Yes, sister, I not keep up with the vlog my sitting, but I still I do my thing, eh? So, I leave out now, in my room, I leave out here now, I head towards. I go to up on the road, I'm gonna go get the gifts from the cooking channel, little really competition we have. I'm gonna go get them post off now. Should have gone from Saturday, but they weren't open on a Saturday. So, I chew gum, hush. I head on the road now, I that hope somebody get a ride, but I can't get no ride, so I forgot get the taxi. So, I head for the road right now. I may go get them post off. I make sure I do it early and come back because I have work to do at home, videos to put up and all of that. So, I go see if I'm on the road, if I reach at the place, I can show you when I'm there and all of that. Get it over with and come back, that the people can get them stuff and come back. So I hope you have a blessed Monday morning and all of that. Everything is going okay with the family. Everything. And if anything even now go as planned, give thanks for life and all of that. So look here. Me catch up on the road. I see what I can do. Okay? So Paris me I know. I'm a New Kingston. I just send off so Sheppy me I come out at DHL now. I just finished send off Sheppy and Sashira. Everything's supposed to good. So I just went and I did that in the early morning. And I'm feeling fulfilled because I get that done and it's off. So that's where I am now, DHL. That's why I used to send off the prices and all of that. So guess what? I'm going to end back out now. Somewhere either off a tree or somewhere about the place. But when we reach my next destination, I check in. I don't know. Yeah. Feel fulfilled. I'm feeling good this Monday morning because I'm sending off the prices then. Make a bit party. So Parry, me back home now. Me in the kitchen. Me back home. Honestly, I did not get to catch any other local footage for you because guess what? The rain started coming down. You know the time, as me tell you, from Sunday. Today is Monday. So it's just, you know, it was just June. So me I had to take 2 taxis home. So me up from one to the other. And the rain and, you know, the hustle and the bus upon the road and everything. So I back home and now I'm so glad. That was what I wanted to do. I did stop at the supermarket, but I did not get to do anything and all of that because, you know, most of the supermarket, them don't want you vlog inside of them and them keep watching you and, you know, you're a big person. You just don't want, you know, people just come talking to you anyway because you have breached them rule or whatever. So, but when I go places where I can, so I wish I could have more forgiveness. So guess what? I go eat some breakfast and just carry on just through the day, round the house with me and all of that. Eh? So if anything, further on. Alright? Barry, look here. I get a little chance to sit down now. I must say almost 12 now, so I get a little chance. But I just got to eat breakfast. So I feel tired, you know. You see tiredness in my eye. But look here. Camera girl, she not gone to school because she's sick. Tell her that she have the flu, so maybe tomorrow she might can go. Just take me up too, so she there with her little cell. She not too bad today, but she said, Mama, me still feel weak. She lift up something this morning and she said, what she say? Oh, she lift up on computer, but it's kind of heavy. My laptop, and she said, Mom, the flu make me weak. I can't lift up the computer. So she there, I try to feel like a better. Although this is the last week of school, so she must say I got till Thursday, so she have 3 more days to go and she have some tests. So but I get a chance to sit down and eat. So I was telling you, said this is the part when I tell you when you're up, because I was up from like I had me tired, me work all weekend, but yeah. And I'm so glad. Thank you all for those who are encouraging me to rest. Yeah, me know me have to rest, but you don't know what, Parry. You see, when the time comes for you to jump around and make 1 little can, 2 little kind, you have to jump around, you know. Because all through the year, not one. So this time of the year, I can sell 2 little cake and make a little extra money. I have to jump around, you know. So I don't work nothing much. I don't work all year, you know, so I'm not cooking, I don't work again. So I have to go get myself lined up now to start up back my local cooking or look one local restaurant or something January. So now that I get the 2 little cake, I have to jump on, but I still have to rest. So now I try to tell you, say, I go eat some sardine and look here now, my pickle cure. So watch ya. I just cut my sardine, so look here, I go take out some of my onion, you see it? So I'm telling myself, wait 48 hours and I did have. You see, you take it out and you get that you see it? You just anything you take out, you just get the pickle. You see it? The liquid, and you just run it all over your sardine. And you take out your onion. And you want, somebody was asking, yes, this was a piece of bell pepper. But I never have no red hot pepper. So somebody asked that in the comment. I don't remember which part, but somebody asked that. So you take out your carrot and you can take out few pieces of your chocho or whatever you want, you know. But make sure the thing that you're taking it out of it's clean. The fat that you're putting in there or whatever you're taking out, and make sure it not catch your hand, you know. This is not something for catch your hand. So see my chocho. You see it? It's all cooked there now. That warm vinegar and something, it's all cooked. Them crunchy dough, you know. So take out what you want and make sure that the container each time, whatever you're using each time, it's clean. Seal back your pickle and you don't have to refrigerate. You don't have to put this in enough fridge. So I eat sardine with some tomato and little pickle. Like that first one man I eat. I chew. I just had a cup of black coffee. I mean a coffee smell, you know. So I drink like a soda. I'm not supposed to drink this for about 4 months now. So I drink like a half cup with some water. I drink out some. What I do, you know, I put the soda with the ice, then I put water. So I'm saying to you, this is the time, because I know as me don't eat, you know. Me, I go sleep, okay? So this is the time I tell you about. When you start to feel like this with the nerves. You know, when you're tired and you feel like you want to go sleep, you are not to fight against it. This is the time when you're moving into the little post nap. You're up and about, but you feel your body like it wobbly, you want to rest, go rest. And the rest no mean all day. If you get 5 or 10 minutes sleep when you wake up, you are stronger than before. This is the time where the post nap them. If you know nothing about that, tell me. A sardine, the pickle, my black pepper. Wow. You can't put this on your fish and your fried chicken, anything. So look here. I'm not a breakfast, I'm not eating. 9. It's time for the little post now. I'm telling you, we're going to have to give them and so. Sure. Well, trying the people. And the Jamaican people, them know this man. Come on, Jamaica, already. But look at Barry. For sending out them something food and them something to the express, you know. But that was the things you forget to, you know. Like, I don't know. But even when people them come nowadays and going up, most things they don't want to carry, you know. So I'm saying, then we'll take it from them. And we'll let them go through with it. So you have to know. I when you come full of belly. But you don't love to carry some for your family and your friends, not true? But my sister, everything change up. I have to cut the cakes in 4 quarters. In the same container, you know. Look here. As it is like this, it's a bit hard, but you have to section it into 4 quarters and have it in a bigger container where it's loose and the cover is here where custom can see and see that it having a 4 quarters. I guess now they will scan it like that. But they say by DHL, if I don't do that, they will poke it, they will cut it up with them knife. But if I drop it in, cut it in 4 sections, they won't do anything. So that's how it go. Cut it in a 4 and make sure. So this is in this compact size one. So if you cut this in a 4, you have to put it in a bigger one to this. Then when you put it in the bigger one, you put it bust it in a 4 quarters now. Them can just easily see the 4 piece them. So you have to do it everywhere, every single place where I stick the food them. So you have to do it. So look here, I go finish eat off my little breakfast and look here. I go after I done, I go wash off, catch the puss nap and somewhere about in there before the day out. When you will see me, eh? One more time, Parry, I tell you no good morning, another vlog here. Monday, never get to finish vlog. Tuesday, I never get anything much for vlog. So I'm in my room here now and guess what? I'm in the process of going to start making my bed. So the bed is here right now. I'm going to start out the bed. Going back on the road today again. I never get enough of the size cake pans I need. I only get certain sizes. So I go back on the road there again. You know, go see what can go on Make up that bed here and do a little, not much as straightening up, you know. I don't do not much as straightening up. I just go make my bed and head for the road. Hopefully I can show you because I think tomorrow it's supposed to be a little crazier today out there. I'm flip the camera. Let me flip the camera. So as I was saying, I'm going on the road today again. Gonna get a few more little things because I got the little cake order them and I have to take time to pull through. Not much, you know, not the panit in a party, but you know, you have to go and panka this time of the year, so I make my little chums. So I am supposed to be getting some smaller cake things, but I just not seeing them. So I go back again, go see if I can get them. I one of two. I could all reach Manapaka. If I can't get it, I have to go reach up a Constant Spring. Because I look everywhere downtown and everywhere and I not get them. So I go up on the road again. I should have gone already. Make up my bed here now. Now go to the and make my bed. I like make my bed. All when I not tidy in the house. So when I come back, I have to go bake. And all of them something that I have a video or two for shoot. So today look sticky time outside dark up and all them way. But guess what? Girl have got to do what a girl got to do. So I hope so no good as usual. You know, finally look a Monday vlog. I try to see what I can do and finish it up today. And I gonna get to see what I go on in Jamaica. Yeah. Maybe I must find the craziness on the road, look mad on the road, because they dig up the whole of the road, water commission, and everybody, everywhere just dig up. So if I have the dig up road, them, me line up on it, see? Me check back pound in the next clip, see? So alright, Paris, so I make up the little bed there. I like when my bed looks at daytime. You know? So when I come back now, you know, if we never get through a road with everything, I feel alright and so on. I come back if anything. My mother would say if you drop down a road, you can come put it down in your bed. But I not hope for drop down anyway still. So, I go head on out the road here now. Yes, darling, real life sinting, the glasses break off as I go up on the road. And my next two little eye them, you know. Real life issues in Paris. What we are going to do? What are we going to do? We've got to live. We have got to go. I mean, I have no money for look about my glasses now, you know. But guess what? I'm going on the road. Me catch you in the next clip. See? Activity much now out here so today in a Paris. The activity, nothing going out here so today I just look a vehicle and moving on along from halfway through the road here so not much no there in the activity. You know? So me see some people it's not just really moving around just like vehicular traffic and so I'm going to that store. I'm still in halfway tree. I'm going to that store. I singer. I don't remember singer. This one is the mega store. And me and Dad are proud, you know. Dad. And me and Dad are proud, but you know, say I'm not come on camera. So I'm going to that store, but I don't know if I can vlog in there in a Paris. I go check out the price of the machine because I'm telling you, say for my own cool. So. The activity is not like a lot, it is not much. The other side of the plaza, I'm on the other side now. This is over the regular side, I don't know my always are there. So the activity kind of a little bit dull now. So maybe later on a lunchtime yet and all of that. And the time is overcast, you see it? Really overcast. So, I go into that store now. You know, so they now make me vlog in there, you know. You see it? I go right in there, so right now, you know, I'm vlog nothing in there. But if they want my vlog, make sure. Excuse me. Alright. This is them as a commercial washer and dryer. You see price, this is the price of it. What do you think about that? You see the brand. It look like a Christmas tree time. I go on over here safari. So the man them over here, so everybody's supposed to get their tree by now and next week or weekend. See? Right after the Christmas tree zone. I'm not holding it now. The people them buy them outside look like little things and one Christmas tree. Somebody get them tree, yeah? I don't have video of you, man. I have video of your tree. Yeah, so no, I'm not having a problem with it, man. What the plaza your name again? I don't even remember what the plaza your name. Sorry, Rapid True Value. Rapid True Value. What the plaza your name? I don't even remember what the plaza your name again. Not today, darling. Yeah, Paris, so. I'm like him going like him let me down, so. May I walk through the plaza here. D, what the plaza your name again? Village, yeah. Village Plaza, Paris. But the Jamaican, I don't know that. Village Plaza, and them have a next singer over there too. Them have a next singer store over there, so too. Yeah. So the plaza them pretty do. So one pizza place, camera girl, not there today, because anyway she see the pizza sign, you know, she go cool. Yeah, I mean a Village Plaza here right now. See a plaza here, look how things are going. But them not start spending the money yet, yeah. Yep. So my bag and pan them. I have my little bag and pan them and something, so get my little stuff them and not much more come for. So I go through the plaza here upstairs. So them I go on up the golden closet and upstairs up there, so we gonna come up here one of the couple nights for sure how it look when the tree them, when the thing them turn on at night time. This is like one of the more quieter plazas, you know, more quieter plazas, even though a lot of vehicles. It seems to me like people parking here for go other plaza them for go to the shopping. This is the more quieter plaza. But look a bit, me soon back home. But watch here across the road, it's the Island Grill have upstairs eating place up there. Yeah. So them not even if me as if I catch it. So them cross the road there. So look a bit Paris. So Paris, I'm back home long time. I supposed to know so I'm back home long time. So I sweat, I get wet up. After I leave on the road I was coming, I never reach home, I get wet up. And tonight my dog get a little bit sick, but I choose some garlic and some ginger and I have that remedy for you. I'm going to give you that remedy along with something else. So, can I take a little rest off because I'm there so now. You have to stay outside and night. Show them outside like America. So I cook. Dinner go on. So I go on. I go on. Because I finish cook and try to go eat something cool off and bake because I've got to bake tonight. And so I have dumpling and dad over this peel banana. I'm not show you because I don't want to go on camera. So we have cooked dinner and all of that. So that was just like what I put together for you for now. as we go along, we're going to put together some better things as we grow. As we go, we are growing. So I hope you have liked what I've done Monday to today. We never do nothing yesterday, Tuesday. Tuesday we didn't have anything, so it's like 2 days together, okay? So I hope you have liked it. If you have, please remember to give me a thumbs up on this video. Remember to leave your comments below. Make sure you are subscribed to the Jamaican Debbiedebs train, so we are grow little by little, all of that, same way over here. So it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Here, the banana peel in the background, that peel banana. That's how we do it and everybody put together, you know, as a family. So never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of it.